2018 was a pretty amazing year.
So we're here right on the beach at La Push, second beach. We are at this park. It is our second day in New Orleans. It's day 2 of Chelan. It is about 6 o'clock here at Joshua Tree National Park.
I got to travel to places I've never been before and got to enjoy the trips that I take every year.
Hey, good morning, folks. If you're traveling out,
Thank you.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
But if I'm being completely honest with you, I'm not really proud of this video. I don't think the shots were any good, and it made it really hard to edit this. And even when I was on these trips, I didn't really have a desire to pick up my camera and shoot. In fact, these are only a few of the trips I went on this year. I think the real reason why I didn't really have a desire to be behind the camera so much was because I just wanted to spend time with the people I was with. And I realized that I enjoy nothing more than spending time with the people that I love. So these are the moments that I live for, with my family and friends. The times that I love looking back at, and the true reason why I take my camera around.
Heading back.
Yeah, she finally learned how to fly it.
So we have handprints, organic